Hi, I'm Michelle from the Automotive Training Centre. Please join us in conversation.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. I'm having a great day here at the Automotive Training Centre in Surrey, British Columbia. I want to tell you, I love being in conversation with people that are really enjoying their academic journey. Folks around here are getting their hands into things, they're fixing things, and I want to tell you, that's what the Automotive Training Centre does. It gives the students some real life experience, putting instructors in front of them that have a lot of experience, passing that on to the students to build their confidence. The end result is these students go on and get jobs as soon as they graduate. That's how the college system works best right here at the Automotive Training Centre. On that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm Malik. I started Autobody like a year ago. I started working with one of my friends at his shop with his dad and stuff. They taught me everything I know, and then I was like, oh, maybe I should start going to school and stuff. And he told me about this program, and I came to this program. They told me all I have to do is just 10 months of program, and then after that, you just work. I was like, okay, that sounds good. Because every other school is just like you have to, even the wait list, you have to wait for 2 years before you get in, and then the program is about like 3 years.
Right.
Yeah,
So you're in the Autobody program.
Yeah.
You were working in Autobody with friends beforehand.
Yeah.
And you saw the opportunity to take a course here.
Yeah.
What was it about this school? Why did you choose? I mean, other than the other wait lists and stuff like that, was there anything about this school that popped off the page for you?
Well, it's right around the corner from my house.
There you go. Okay, so it's close to the house.
Yeah, but it's much about the wait list and that you don't have to go to school for years over time.
Right.
Yeah.
A lot of hands-on.
Yeah. You're mostly in the shop instead of just doing book work and stuff like that. 'Cause that's based of what other schools are either way. But you just mostly in the shop. We spend maybe like 2 hours reading, and the rest of the day is just working in the shop, working on your panels and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Just
Talk to me about why Autobody, why you like that.
Why Autobody? Yeah. Well, with technicians, there's just a lot involved in that. So I was thinking about the Autobody, like fixing cars and stuff like that. Well, I like the fact that, like, you know, after a car's been in an accident, we have to transform that and make it look brand new. And I always wanted to be a painter, so that's what brought me into it.
Is that right? Is it the program? Is it everything that you had hoped it would be?
Well, not really, but it's really past my standards. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more than I thought it would have been.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Cool. Instructors, good?
Yeah, really good.
Talk to me about that. Talk to me about the importance of having a good instructor.
Well, if you don't have a good instructor, you're not going to be learning. So
right.
The instructor is really a big important part of it. He's the one that's going to teach you everything that you need to know about the course,
right,
about the industry. If he's not a good instructor, he's not treating you right, you won't be learning. You won't like the learning environment. You won't want to be there. So
yeah,
it's a big role.
Are you gaining good confidence? Are you able to walk out of here?
No. Before I started the school, I was not really a talkative person.
Right.
Now I could communicate a lot better. So
good.
I've gained a lot of skills.
You're doing a good job here, I can tell you that.
Yeah.
That's good. What does a perfect job look like for you when you graduate?
Well, I'm already working at a shop right now. It's been good there.
Yeah.
I like it how it is there.
Yeah. So probably stay right there?
Yeah, I might stay there for years.
And see where it goes from there?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thanks for being in conversation with us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more, go to automotivetrainingcenter.com.